If you're worried about chemicals in your cookware, carbon steel is a great choice for you. So why switch? If you're perfectly happy with your nonstick pans, why try something new? The fact is, any nonstick pan you buy will get less nonstick over time. Traditional nonstick pans have a coating that can break down with heavy use, and some can even release harmful chemicals. Carbon steel is made of just 2 ingredients, carbon and iron, and the surface becomes non-stick because of seasoning, which is the process of bonding oil to the surface of the pan. Seasoning is key to creating a naturally non-stick surface. MadeIn's carbon steel pans come pre-seasoned with a mixture of shea, nut, and coconut oil. That takes care of your first 2 seasonings, which gives you a great jump start into the seasoning process, but it never hurts to be strategic about your first cook. Cooking anything with a good amount of fat will help to build up that polymerized layer of oil in your pan. So think bacon, smash burgers, sauteed mushrooms and onions, anything that uses a good amount of fat. Or if you want to bake something in the oven, you could try cornbread or pan pizza. These will all help to build up your seasoning naturally. Once you get that base layer of seasoning down, you can start to cook stickier things like fried eggs, pancakes, or fish. One thing to remember is avoid acidic ingredients like tomatoes, citrus, or white wine because those can strip the seasoning that you've worked so hard to build. My best advice to learning how to use your carbon steel pan is to just keep cooking. Once you're finished cooking, let your pan cool down a little bit, and then you can either wipe it clean or you can scrub with a mixture of oil and kosher salt to get any residue out of the pan. Then rinse it with hot water and avoid using any harsh soap, and then make sure it's really dry. So I like to put it back over medium heat. Heat the pan until it's bone dry. Every time I clean my carbon steel cookware, I season it. Think thin layers, high heat. So when it's still a little bit warm from drying it out, you're gonna apply a very small amount of a neutral high smoke point oil to your pan, and then you're gonna rub it all the way around the interior and the exterior of the pan. Put it over medium-high heat and heat it until it starts to smoke. Then turn it off and you're done. Carbon steel cookware is virtually indestructible, and with proper seasoning, it gets more nonstick over time. And they're heat safe up to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. They have similar searing performance to cast iron, but they're lighter weight, easier to maneuver, have better heat control, and heat up a lot faster. Plus, they're compatible with gas, electric, and induction cooktops, and they're great over open fire. These pans are built to last a lifetime. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about carbon steel. I'm Rhoda from MadeIN, and I'll see you next time.